From tropical orchards to precision factories, modern technology and human expertise transform delicate harvests into premium foods consumed across the world.
Soon after harvesting, mechanical rollers remove the fibrous outer husk, reducing heat and moisture buildup while leaving the extremely hard inner shell intact. After insect pollination, selected flowers develop into round fruit, protecting each valuable kernel beneath a fibrous green husk and an exceptionally hard inner shell. For roasted products, carefully controlled heat develops the cashew's characteristic aroma, color, and texture without damaging their delicate structure.
Across the tropical regions of the world, enormous plantations produce cashews on an extraordinary scale. Beginning a journey powered by nature, the production cycle begins inside specialized nurseries, where carefully selected cashew seedlings are watered, protected, and monitored until they are strong enough. Before planting begins, powerful machinery loosens compacted earth, improves drainage, and creates precisely measured positions for thousands of developing root systems. Each young cashew tree is planted at a carefully measured distance, providing sufficient room for sunlight, airflow, root development, and future harvesting machinery. Precision drip irrigation delivers measured amounts of water directly to each root zone, helping reduce waste while supporting consistent growth across the plantation. During flowering season, bees and other insects move between millions of delicate blossoms, transferring the pollen required for the cashew crop to develop. Cashew development is unusual. The kidney-shaped nut forms externally, while the swollen fruit stem above it gradually develops into the colorful cashew. As the apples develop their distinctive colors, fully mature fruit naturally falls to the ground, indicating that the attached cashew nuts are ready for collection. Harvesting teams repeatedly collect fallen fruit. This protects the apples and attached nuts from moisture, pests, and prolonged exposure to the orchard floor. At the collection station, each raw nut is carefully separated from its apple, allowing the valuable shell-covered nuts and highly perishable fruit to enter different processing streams. Immediately after separation, the raw in-shell cashews are spread beneath the tropical sun, reducing excess moisture and protecting the valuable kernels during storage. Technicians collect representative samples to measure moisture, cleanliness, and overall condition before the dried cashews are approved for safe storage and transportation. Once dried and inspected, enormous shipments of raw cashews travel from producing farms to specialized facilities equipped for industrial processing. At the processing facility, every shipment is weighed, sampled, and inspected before thousands of raw cashews enter the highly controlled production line. Vibrating screens, controlled airflow, and specialized separators remove soil, leaves, stones, and other field debris from the incoming raw cashews. The cleaned nuts are separated according to size, allowing every batch to receive the correct conditioning treatment and more accurate pressure during shelling. Controlled steam conditioning prepares the tough outer shells for opening, while carefully managed heat helps protect the delicate kernels hidden inside. Precision shelling machines position and open each conditioned nut, minimizing kernel breakage while limiting exposure to the irritating liquid contained inside the shell. After shelling, the kernels are carefully dried under controlled conditions, loosening their thin, protective skins without damaging the fragile nuts beneath. Gentle pneumatic peeling removes the dry outer testa, finally revealing the smooth, creamy cashew kernel recognized by consumers around the world. High-speed cameras inspect every kernel, while precisely timed air jets remove discolored or damaged pieces within fractions of a second. Experienced inspectors provide another level of quality control, identifying subtle imperfections that may remain after automated sorting. The inspected kernels are graded by size and physical condition, directing whole cashews, splits, and smaller pieces toward different commercial products. Representative samples undergo strict laboratory analysis and food safety checks before any production batch is authorized to continue toward final preparation. For roasted products, carefully controlled heat develops the cashew's characteristic aroma, color, and texture without damaging their delicate structure. Selected batches receive a carefully controlled layer of seasoning before filtered air rapidly cools the kernels and preserves their crisp texture. Automated systems weigh each portion, seal it inside protective packaging, and verify every pack before it leaves the production floor. From carefully controlled warehouses, packaged cashews enter a global supply network that carries them to retailers and consumers around the world. Whole kernels and smaller pieces are transformed into roasted snacks, creamy spreads, plant-based beverages, sauces, confectionery, and premium bakery ingredients. Cashews provide plant protein, predominantly unsaturated fats, and several minerals. However, because nuts are energy-dense, cashews provide plant protein, predominantly unsaturated fats, and several minerals. However, because nuts are energy-dense, beyond the cashew industry, another premium nut begins its journey beneath the dense canopies of vast subtropical macadamia orchards. After insect pollination, selected flowers develop into round fruit, protecting each valuable kernel beneath a fibrous green husk and an exceptionally hard inner shell. When fully mature, macadamias fall naturally to the orchard floor, where regular collection helps protect their quality from moisture and pests. Specialized sweepers and collection harvesters gather the fallen nuts quickly. They separate loose orchard debris while limiting exposure to moisture and deterioration. Soon after harvesting, mechanical rollers remove the fibrous outer husk, reducing heat and moisture buildup while leaving the extremely hard inner shell intact. Another premium nut follows a very different journey. Beginning beneath the dense canopies of enormous macadamia orchards. Slow, controlled drying reduces moisture in carefully managed stages, allowing the kernel to contract slightly away from its exceptionally hard shell. Slow, controlled drying reduces moisture in carefully managed stages, allowing the kernel to contract slightly away from its exceptionally hard shell. Specialized cracking machines apply precisely calibrated pressure, breaking one of the world's hardest commercial nutshells without crushing the valuable kernel inside. High-speed cameras and experienced inspectors grade every kernel by color, size, and physical condition, while removing damaged pieces and remaining shell fragments. Premium kernels are gently roasted, rapidly cooled, and sealed inside protective packaging to preserve their delicate flavor and crisp texture. From tropical orchards to precision factories, modern technology and human expertise transform delicate harvests into premium foods consumed across the world.